Aktar nisa fl-ogħla karigi tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Rispett akbar lejn is-saltna ta' dritt. L-ewwel liġi Ewropea dwar il-klima. Ġlieda bla preċedent kontra l-kontrabandu. Possibilità ta' estensjoni għal Brexit. Dawn huma ftit mill-impenji li tkellmet dwarhom Ursula von der Leyen, il-kandidata għal kariga ta' President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea, waqt indirizzat lill membri tal-Parlament Ewropew fi Strasburgu. Ftit sigħat biss qabel l-istess MEPs jivvotaw dwar in-nomina tagħha. Fid-diskors tagħha von der Leyen insistiet li l-Kummissjoni li tixtieq tmexxi ikollha l-istess numru ta' kummissjonarji irġiel u nisa.
We represent half of our population. We want our fair share.
Forsi waħda mit-temi li ġabet reazzjoni mħalta mis-sala tal-plenarja kienet Brexit. Von der Leyen taċ tifhem li hi miftuħa l-estensjoni oħra biex ir-Renju Unit toħroġ mill-Unjoni Ewropea.
The withdrawal agreement concluded with the government of the United Kingdom provides certainty where Brexit created uncertainty, in preserving the rights of citizens and in preserving peace and stability on the island of Ireland. These two priorities are mine too. However, I stand ready for a further extension of the withdrawal date should more time be required for a good reason.
Tema li bla dubju hi ta' interess għal Malta dik tas-saltna ta' dritt.
For centuries, Europeans fought so hard for their liberty and independence. The rule of law is our best tool to defend these freedoms and to protect the most vulnerable in our union. This is why there can't be no compromise when it comes to respecting the rule of law. There never will be.
Fil-jiem li għaddew, von der Leyen tkellmet diversi drabi dwar l-importanza li tiġi indirizzata l-bidla fil-klima u fid-diskors tagħha lill MEPs kienet ċara din trid tkun il-prijorità tagħha fil-5 snin li ġejjin.
The European Union will lead international negotiations to increase the level of ambition of other major economies by 2021. Because to achieve real impact, we do not only have to be ambitious at home, we have to do that, yes, but the world has to move together. To make this happen, I will put forward a Green Deal for Europe in my first 100 days in office.
Il-kap ta' delegazzjoni tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Roberta Metsola ħadet sehem fid-dibattitu ma' von der Leyen u fid-diskors tagħha insistiet fuq azzjoni dwar il-klima, l-immigrazzjoni u s-saltna ta' dritt.
If ever there was a representation of the enduring success of Europe, this is it. More than personalities, Europe is hope. More than bureaucracy, it is justice. Now, our EU project has inspired people across generations, continents and peoples, but we have to keep working.
L-MEP Metsola għamlet referenza wkoll għal 21 xahar mill-qtil tal-ġurnalista Maltija Daphne Caruana Galizia.
And that is why we cannot be silent when our fundamental freedoms are under threat. We can never accept that journalists like Daphne Caruana Galizia are intimidated and killed 21 months ago today. We must protect the media. We should never let EU citizenship be sold as a commodity. We cannot allow the next generation to have more plastic than fish in their seas.
L-MEPs tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Roberta Metsola u David Casa votaw favur in-nomina ta' von der Leyen bħala President tal-Kummissjoni Ewropea.